Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, we'll explore the step-by-step process of growing a cactus from a cutting. Meet the lovely old lady cactus, scientifically known as mammillaria hahniana. This charming species is renowned for its delicate powdery coating, vibrant pink flowers, and unique globular shape. As you can see, my old lady cactus has proudly produced multiple pups. Inspired by its thriving health, I decided to propagate a new plant from a direct cutting. Join me as I share the step-by-step process of growing this stunning cactus from a single cutting. Now, let's select a suitable pup for propagation. I am looking for one that's slightly larger in size or a bit mature one. Using a sharp knife, I'll make a clean cut slowly and carefully just above the joint where the pup meets the stem. And there we have it. Our pup is now separated, ready to start its new life. With a history of successful direct planting, I am skipping rooting hormone altogether. Now it's time to give our new cactus a home. Firstly, let's ensure proper drainage, as this pot doesn't have a built-in drainage hole. I am adding a layer of stones at the bottom to facilitate excess water drainage and prevent waterlogged soil. Next, I'll add a layer of well-draining cactus potting mix, specifically designed to retain moisture but prevent root rot. Now, I'll carefully introduce water to saturate the soil, eliminating the air pockets and ensuring seamless integration of the cutting. Now comes the moment of union. Cactus meets soil. My skilled hands ensure a seamless integration. A sprinkle of pebbles adds a touch of elegance to our cactus arrangement. A gentle finger touch settles the pebbles, creating a polished finish. Meet my adorable cactus, easy to care for and perfect for indoor spaces. Just water when the soil feels dry. Propagate your own plants using this simple method and fill your home with lush beauty. Thank you for watching. I'd love to hear your thoughts and feedback on this video, and what topics you would like to explore me next. Please hit like, subscribe and share. Bye.